How to use Stremio on iPhone. Stremio is a media center app that lets you stream movies, shows, and live TV. And here's how to set it up and use it on your iPhone. So first and foremost, go ahead and open the App Store on your iOS device. And then from here, you'd be able to get redirected into the dashboard. Head over into the search tab and then use the search bar and look for Stremio. Now, if you fail to find the app on the list of application, what you can do next is to check out the official website of Stremio, and there you should find a download button which would allow you to download the APK file compatible with your iOS device. So go ahead and head over into the Safari app and then search for Stremio and then open up the Stremio website, and then from here you should find the download button. You'll need an account to use Stremio. Sign up with your email or log in if you already have one. Browse the library to discover movies, TV shows, and channels. Stremio organizes everything neatly by category. To unlock content, go to the add-on section, install official or community add-ons to stream from different sources. Select a title, choose a streaming source, and hit play. You can adjust subtitles, playback speed, and video quality. Your Stremio account syncs across devices, or you can start watching on your iPhone and continue later on your laptop or TV. And that's how you use Stremio on iPhone. Install, add add-ons, and enjoy streaming wherever you go.